Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and talked about concepts in personal development, the law of attraction. Whether you've heard of it before or are new to the idea, we are going to explore what it is, how it works, and how you can harness its power to transform your life. Introduction to the law of attraction. So, what exactly is the law of attraction? Simply put, it's the belief that our thoughts and feelings have the power to shape our reality. According to this principle, positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into our lives. It's often summed up by the phrase, like attracts like. Imagine your mind as a magnet. If you're constantly thinking about positive things and focusing on your goals, you're set to attract similar positive outcomes. Conversely, if you focus on negative thoughts and fears, you might attract more of the same negativity. Historical background. The concept of the law of attraction isn't new. It has roots in various philosophies and spiritual teachings. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, had similar beliefs. However, the term itself gained prominence in modern times, particularly with the release of the book, The Secret, by Rhonda Byrne, which brought this idea into the mainstream. How the law of attraction works. The law of attraction is often explained through three key principles. Ask, clearly define what you want. It's crucial to be specific about your desires. Write down your goals, visualize them, and make sure you are asking the universe, or whatever higher power you believe in, for what you truly want. Believe. This is about having unwavering faith that what you are asking for is already on its way. It involves creating a mental image of your success and feeling as though you've already achieved your goals. This belief should be so strong that it drives your actions and attitudes. Receive. This principle involves being open to receiving the opportunities and resources needed to achieve your goals. It's about aligning your actions with your desires and recognizing when opportunities come your way. Practical steps to apply the law of attraction. Visualization. Take time each day to imagine achieving your goals. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your dreams. This constant visual reinforcement helps keep your mind focused on what you want. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your belief in your goals. Repeat statements like, I am successful, or I attract positive experiences, regularly. These affirmations help rewire your subconscious mind to align with your desires. Gratitude. Practice gratitude to increase your vibrational frequency. By appreciating what you already have, you invite more positive experiences into your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down things you're thankful for each day. Action. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking and feeling, it's also about taking action. Make sure you are doing things that align with your goals. If you want to succeed in a new career, for example, seek out opportunities for networking and skill building. Mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings. Being aware of negative self-talk or limiting beliefs allows you to address them and shift your mindset toward positivity. Common misconceptions. There are some common misconceptions about the law of attraction. It's not just magic. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's a combination of positive thinking and proactive efforts. It doesn't guarantee instant results. Achieving your goals may take time and persistence. The law of attraction is a tool to guide and support you, but it doesn't replace hard work and dedication. It's not a replacement for professional help. If you're facing serious issues such as mental health challenges, the law of attraction shouldn't replace seeking professional help. It can be a complementary tool, but not a substitute. Success stories. Let's look at some inspiring success stories. Many successful individuals, including Oprah Winfrey and Jim Carrey, have spoken about how the law of attraction played a role in their achievements. Oprah often credits her positive mindset and visualization practices for her incredible career. Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and dated it for Thanksgiving 1994. He received a movie role in 1994 that paid him exactly that amount. Conclusion. To wrap up, the law of attraction is a powerful concept that suggests our thoughts and feelings can shape our reality. By clearly defining our desires, believing in them, and being open to receiving, we can use this principle to create positive changes in our lives. Remember, it's not just about thinking positively but also about taking meaningful actions and staying aligned with your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and development. Share your thoughts and experiences with the law of attraction in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.